Bluey woke up early. Her eyes landed on Floppy, Bingo's little dog doll. She picked it up, feeling its soft fur in her paws. "Let's go on an adventure," she whispered. Bingo rolled over sleepily. "Can Floppy come too?" she asked. Bluey nodded eagerly. Downstairs, Mom was preparing breakfast. Bluey tiptoed past her. Floppy clutched tightly in her arms. The excitement was bubbling inside. Out in the backyard, Bluey laid a blanket and arranged toys. "Floppy needs a home too," she said, placing a tiny chair beside the picnic setup. Bingo joined her, carrying a miniature teacup. "We can have tea together," she cheered. Bluey giggled, setting Floppy opposite. Suddenly, a gust of wind blew Floppy's hat across the lawn. "Oh no!" Bluey exclaimed. She chased it down with quick little hops. Floppy safely returned. Bluey hugged it tightly. "Phew, we can't lose you," she whispered. Bingo nodded in agreement. They pretended to be pirates, searching for hidden treasure among the flowers. Floppy led the way, pointing with its tiny paw. Mom peeked out. "Are my little pirates busy?" she asked. Bluey waved. "Yes, and Floppy is the captain." The afternoon flew by. Tea parties, treasure hunts, and giggles filled the yard. Even Snickers joined, chasing Floppy gently as if it were real. As the sun began to set, Bluey tucked Floppy into a small basket. "Sleep well, Captain. Tomorrow we sail again," she whispered. Bingo smiled. This was the best day with Floppy ever. Dad called from the porch, "Time to come inside, adventurers." Bluey waved. If you loved our Floppy adventure, give a like, tap subscribe, and join us for more fun playtimes.